friends, today we are going to see the MCQ of Geotechnical Engineering in the topic of earth pressure and stability of slopes. So the first question, the plastic state of stress when the failure is imminent was investigated by option A Rankines, option B Dorsey, option C Skimpton, option D Tezzaghi. So the correct answer is option A Rankine. So next question, dash is used for maintaining the ground surface at different elevation. Option A floor, option B retaining wall, option C ceiling, option D roof. So the correct answer is option B retaining wall. So next question, the material retained by the retaining wall is known as option A slab, option B roof, option C backfill, option D footing. So the correct answer is option C backfill. So next question, the portion of backfill laying above the horizontal plane of the wall is called option A surcharge, option B base, option C foot, option D truss. So the correct answer is option A surcharge. So next question, surcharge angle beta is option A inclination of surcharge to the vertical, option B inclination of surcharge to the normal of the wall, option C inclination of surcharge to the horizontal, option D inclination of surcharge to the tangent to the wall. So the correct answer is option C inclination of surcharge to the horizontal. So next question, during the active state of plastic equilibrium, the retaining wall moves option A towards the fill, option B away from the fill, option C does not change its position, option D remains in equilibrium. So the correct answer is option B away from the fill. So next question, during the passive state of plastic equilibrium, the retaining wall moves option A towards the fill, option B away from the fill, option C does not change its position, option D remains in equilibrium. So the correct answer is option A towards the fill. So next question, in active state of plastic equilibrium, the earth pressure on the wall option A increases, option B decreases, option C is 0, option D is constant. So the correct answer is option B decreases. So next question, in the passive state of plastic equilibrium, the earth pressure on the wall option A increases, option B decreases, option C is 0, option D is constant. So the correct answer is option A increases. So next question, the active state, the failure which shows option A downward movement, option B upward movement, option C left side movement, option D right side movement. So the correct answer is option A downward movement. So next question, in passive state, the failure which shows option A downward movement, option B upward movement, option C left side movement, option D right side movement. So the correct answer is option B upward movement. So next question, the theory of plasticity pertaining to soil is based on option A Morse theory, option B Rankine theory, option C Moore-Coulomb theory, option D none of mention. So the correct answer is option A Morse theory. So next question, on designing retaining walls, it is necessary to take care of dash exerted by the soil mass. Option A erosion, option B lateral pressure, option C surcharge, option D lateral stress. So the correct answer is option B lateral pressure. So next question, the material retained or supported by the retaining structure is called option A surcharge, option B support wall, option C backfill, option D all of mention. So the correct answer is option C backfill. So next question, the coefficient of earth pressure when the soil is at equilibrium is option A sigma V divided by sigma H, option B sigma H divided by sigma V, option C sigma V into sigma H, option D sigma 1 divided by sigma 3. So the correct answer is option B sigma H divided by sigma V. So next question, the position of backfill laying above the horizontal plane at the top of the wall is called option A active state, option B plasticity, option C surcharge, option D slip lines. So the correct answer is option C surcharge. So next question, what will be the coefficient of passive earth pressure at the depth of 8 meter in cohesionless soil sand with an angle of internal friction is 30 when the water rises to the ground level? Option A 4, option B 5, option C 3, option D 1. So the correct answer is option C 3. So next question, the coefficient of active earth pressure is dash than the coefficient of passive earth pressure. Option A less than, option B greater than, option C equal to, option D inefficient data. So the correct answer is option A less than. So next question, the pressure distribution diagram on the earth surface at rest is option A circular, option B triangular, option C rectangular, option D square. So the correct answer is option B triangular. So next question, the coefficient of earth pressure in rest is represented as dash expression given by Jackie. Option A k naught equal to 1 minus sin phi, option B k naught equal to sin phi, option C k naught equal to 1 minus cos phi, option D k naught equal to cos phi. So the correct answer is option A k naught equal to 1 minus sin phi. So next question, for cohesionless soil the angle of internal friction is 45 degree. Find the k naught. Option A 0.429, option B 0.784, option C 0.293, option D 0.334. So the correct answer is option C 0.293. So next question, a backfill of retaining wall consists of gamma is equal to 19 kilonewton per meter cube, which is 6 meter high. So next question, originally Rankine's theory of lateral earth pressure can be applied to only option A cohesionless soil, option B cohesive soil, option C fine grained soil, option D coarse grained soil. So the correct answer is option A cohesionless soil. So next question, based on the assumptions of Rankine theory, the soil mass is option A stratified, option B submerged, option C homogeneous, option D all the above. So the correct answer is option C homogeneous. So next question, which of the following cases for cohesionless soil backfill in the Rankine's theory is considered? Option A submerged backfill, option B backfill moist with no surcharge, option C backfill with sloping surface, option D all of mentioned. So the correct answer is option D all of mentioned. So next question, the factor that is responsible for inclination of resultant pressure to the retaining wall is option A frictional force, option B surcharge force, option C earth pressure, option D weight of the wall. So the correct answer is option A frictional force. So next question, if the angle of internal friction decreases then Ka equal to option A decreases, option B increases, option C equal to 0, option D does not change. So the correct answer is option B increases. So next question, the height of fill ZE equivalent to the uniform surcharge intensity is option A Q by Y, option B Q minus Y, option C Q plus Y, option D Q into Y. So the correct answer is option A Q by Y. So next question, for cohesive soil the pressure intensity is reduced by the factor of option A 2C cot alpha, option B 2C tan alpha, option C 2C sin alpha, option D 2C cos alpha. So the correct answer is option A 2C cot alpha. So next question, the failure of slopes maybe takes place due to option A forces between the soil particle and higher water content, option B the action of gravitational force, option C both, option D none of the above. So the correct answer is option C both. So next question, which of the following is an example of slopes eccentric to infinity? Option A the inclined face of the earth dams, option B embankment, option C cuts, option D none of above. So the correct answer is option D none of above. So next question, factor of safety with respect to the height is given by dash equation. Option A Fc equal to Hc divided by H, option B Fc equal to C divided by Cm, option C Fc equal to tau F divided by tau, option D Fc equal to tau C divided by tau. So the correct answer is option A Fc equal to Hc divided by H. So next question, a basic type of failure at finite slope may occur due to option A slope failure and base failure, option B toe failure, option C none of mention, option D all of mention. So the correct answer is option A slope failure and base failure. So next question, if the failure occurs along the surface of sliding that intersect the slope at its toe, the slide is known as option A base failure, option B slope failure, option C face failure, option D all of mention. So the correct answer is option B slope failure. So next question, the stability of finite slope can be investigated by which of the following method? Option A, Bishop's method, option B, Swedish circle method, option C, friction circle method, option D, all of mentioned. So the correct answer is option D, all of mentioned. So next question, rectangle plot method has been suggested by option A, Coleman, option B, Bishop, option C, Singh, option D, Terzaghi. So the correct answer is option C, Singh. So next question, the types of slip surface or failure surface are option A 4, option B 2, option C 3, option D 5. So the correct answer is option C 3. Again we will see in next video. Thank you.